Brothers and sisters, take care too much this 3 days because going to be too much raining and too much windy. So if you guys take care and don't go out from the house, better.
On 16th of April 2024, floods were seen and recorded in the UAE, Oman, Bahrain, Kuwait, and also in some parts of UAE. So guys, what was the cause of these rains in the Gulf countries? Could this be the cloud seeding projects? Please watch this video for details on what exactly happened because of the heavy rainfall in different countries and cities of the Gulf countries. More also, we shall talk about cloud seeding projects in the Gulf region. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel at World of Facts. So guys, on 16th April 2024, floods were seen and recorded in different countries in the Gulf region, whereas cities such as Dubai, Sharjah, Al Ain, and the neighboring countries. And today's question, we have to understand what exactly that caused this heavy flooding in this region. So this was a result of heavy stormy rainfall that was received in the region. Then the question is, why are some people still saying that this rain was made? We shall find out by the end of this video. So guys, what exactly happened was unusual rain that was stormy and lasted for long hours than usual in the region. So this takes us to climatology. Particularly, we have to talk about weather. So when we talk about the weather patterns of the region, UAE is a desert and all her neighbors experience desert climatic conditions. So this region rarely receives rainfall than any other climatic region in the world. So what exactly happened this time around? So guys, in climatology, when we talk about what it says on weather, so the warmer the weather leads to the warmer oceans. Much of this is linked to climate change of the region. The warming of the atmosphere and the oceans, especially when this happens, this comes clear that waters closer to the equator, such as the Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea, these warmer waters are good breeding grounds for storms and extreme weather, such as the cyclones that are hitting Africa to get rain almost each and every year. So guys, the factor of warming the atmosphere can create stormy weather and rainfall, especially towards the end of summer as we move into fall or as we move into winter. We have seen this extreme weather in Oman and the UAE with heavy rain and storms that exactly happened on 16th of April this year. In this region, most storms and rainfall were recorded in Saudi Arabia due to the nearness to the Red Sea coast that regularly gets affected by the warming factor. As well, we've been seeing also heavy rains and storm in unexpected areas at times and recently. So guys, the warmer the waters, they can easily evaporate very fast, or they evaporate faster, which injects or which makes water vapor into the atmosphere that can easily condense. Condensing, it means it solidifies, it comes together, the moisture comes together to form the clouds. Okay, so these clouds, they can easily condense, they solidify, they come together and they be able to produce rain at a certain time. However, this rain can come with storm. Okay, it depends on the weather condition. So when the conditions are right, at the same time, the climatic patterns such as El Nino, we shall make a simple video about it, this pattern of climatic weather, and you will deeply understand it. So such as El Nino, okay, they reinforce, okay, they increase the warming in the region, well as they also make the region wetter. in the parts of Middle East as it occurred, and eventually we found rain coming over certain places and in different parts of the Gulf countries. So many cities were affected. For example, Dubai, a lot was damaged, infrastructures were damaged, people's businesses had to close. So the factor of the warming of waters, okay, this factor of warming of the atmosphere and the oceans, the water bodies around the region, could have been the possible cause of the heavy rainfall and the storms that were received in Dubai. However, some people say that this rain was made. How about if that rain was received was from cloud seeding, which is an artificial process of making rain? So guys, let's talk about cloud seeding as well, so that we deeply understand it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe as you're watching this video. So guys, this has been undertaken, we are talking about the cloud seeding. It has been undertaken in the Gulf region for more than now 20 years to squeeze more rain to fall out in the region. So earlier this year, officials they came out with a plan, okay, to carry out around 300 cloud seeding missions in 2024. The UAE program has become famous and popular as a climatic change solution due to the rapid population growth that is straining the natural water resources in this arid country. So this has resulted or pushed them to come out with various solutions to increase on the water availability. We're talking about the natural water. So they decided to come out with this strategy of cloud seeding in order to increase water supply. We are talking about the natural water. So this is an artificial. It is an artificial force when they introduce chemicals into atmosphere. So guys, what is cloud seeding? Is the process of making artificial forces, okay, to make rain into the atmosphere. In this, we are talking about that in this process of cloud seeding, they introduce or we use chemicals such as silver iodide to accelerate the formation of raindrops inside the clouds. This results or causes them to fall before the wind carries them away. Studies have found that this technique can increase rainfall from clouds by as much as 20%. However, it only works when these clouds are already heavy with moisture and when they have the potential to produce the rain in a particular region. So guys, what makes conditions right for cloud seeding, especially in the different parts of the world? This is when there is more water vapor in the atmosphere, and UAE is a very humid part of the world, and that means a lot of water is in the atmosphere. So it makes it really prime to introduce the materials used for cloud seeding and capture that water vapor to come down as rain, so that they receive particular rain. Remember, it's a desert country that rarely receives little or no rainfall. So guys, so what do you think that caused the heavy storm rainfall that caused floods in cities like Dubai? Please write down in the comment section. I've been Teacher Andrew at World of Facts. Like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in our next tutorial.